If risk is in the ALARP region, does that mean it's actually ALARP? Let's break down the ALARP concept. We often rely on three zones framework to evaluate risk divided by two levels: the maximum tolerable criterion, above which the risk is intolerable, and the broadly acceptable criterion, below which the risk is insignificant. But what about the in-between zone, the ALARP region? Should we accept the risk just because it lands in the ALARP region? No, and that's a common misconception. Being in the ALARP region doesn't mean the risk is automatically acceptable. It means we should consider introducing further risk reduction measures to reach the ALARP level. How we can reach the ALARP level? When we find that time, effort, cost for further measure become unreasonably disproportionate to the additional risk reduction obtained. Simply put, when we find that we put much effort, much time, much cost for small results. Okay. Till now, I think everything is clear. Now, how we can demonstrate that we have reached the ALARP level? It's simple. After identifying possible measures, we need to compare that effectiveness and cost. We rerun query for each option selected to identify the associated reduction in risk. Then, we apply the cost-benefit analysis (CBA) to determine the effectiveness for each option. One common method is to calculate the implied cost of averting a fatality, ICAF. Using this formula, ICAF equals the net cost of option divided by the potential saving of life, where the net cost of option is equal to cost of option minus the reduction in loss of asset and production. This result shows how much it would cost to statically save one life, and this value are then compared to the company or the standard thresholds. For example, in the UK offshore, the threshold is £6 million. If saving a life costs less than 6 million, it's likely a practicable measure. But if the cost is much more than 6 million, the cost is considered grossly disproportionate and the measure may not be justified. Follow me for more.